Hi, welcome back to my channel Charles Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to discuss about what Taurus people can expect in coming 1 year, what all things that they need to be taken care of, and what all remedies they need to do to enhance their luck to overcome the challenges and the obstacles. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So for the Taurus people, the two important planet, that is the Jupiter and the Saturn, is sitting in your Kendra this particular coming 1 year. It seems like that this is a good time when it comes to the career, when it comes to the finances. This is a time finances wise you are going to see the growth. This is a good time to do investment in the real estate. This is a good time to buy, to do investment in any type of stocks, shareholding, as well as a gold too. So you are going to you can expect good ROI out of it. This is a good time to get success career wise also. If you're looking for a job change, there is a very high possibility you will be able to change your job if your personal dasha is going favorable. Like if your dasha is going of Jupiter, Venus, or some favorable dasha as per your birth chart, this is a good time for you. But if you're going any of the karmic dasha like Rahu, Ketu, or Shani, in that case you may face the obstacles and the challenges, but again there will not be the deny. So this is a good time. This is a time where you can buy a new property, and even you can sell the old property, replacing you can buy a new property too. Overall seems like in your domestic life you are going to see more happiness, and that happiness will be more materialistic wise, more comfort in your life. Materialistic wise you are going to see a growth during. Natives who are especially working away from their birthplace in the foreign country, they are into the marketing, their work or their profession is connected to the marketing, finance, or anything related to consulting, they are going to get great growth during this time. Planets are aligned in such a way you are going to get multiple opportunity, multiple expansion opportunity. But this is a time where you need to come out of the comfort zone, try to grab that opportunity, because this is a golden time for you to start something new or to get success career wise and the money wise. For the business owners also, you are going to get multiple opportunities during this time. Start Come out of your comfort zone, grab that opportunity, start working on it, because you can do something big in your life, career wise, finances wise. If you're into a job, this is a good time to start a new business also. Parallelly, there is a very high possibility you are going to get the success in the business. So this is a good time to start something new. Taurus people, very few times such type of planet alignment come, so make sure that you are not missing this opportunity. So whatever opportunities are coming in your life, start taking actions for it. Avoid, come out of your comfort zone. As for you, Shani is your Yog Karak. So if you're coming out of your comfort zone, you are going to take the risk and you are going to take the actions, you are going to put more hard work. You will notice that career wise and the finances wise you are going to grow during this time. When it comes to your emotions, like right now Ketu is sitting in your fourth house, you will feel very emotionally detached with your family life. Or it has been noticed that this is a time where you are going to focus more on your career, you are going to focus more on your success, and you are going to work more hard work in your career. In that case you can ignore your family also during this time. So this balance will be missing, due to which you will feel detached from your family members. You feel like more isolated, and this is a time where you will be seeing yourself more involved in your career as compared to your family life. Health wise you need to be very much conscious, because health wise the time is not so good. You may go any type of minor surgery or any type of chronic disease, or any disease may come up again in your life which you are suffering in the past years. So there is a very high possibility that issue may again arise in your life. So health wise, don't take your health for granted. Go for the regular checkup and try to do the remedies that has been shared at the end of this video. If you don't have a job right now, or you are waiting for your offer letter, there is a very high possibility you will be able to get your offer letter, and that will be unexpected. So wherever you have given interview, try to detach yourself from the end result. There is a very high possibility you will be able to get the offer letter. If you're looking for a hike in the current organization, if your promotion is due, there is a very high possibility you will be promoted. This is a time where you will be able to get multiple opportunity and multiple opportunities from the foreign countries, away from your birthplace too. This is a good time to get returns from your past investment that you have done. Maybe you are selling your old property, or anywhere you have invested in somewhere in the speculative market or the share market. There is a very high possibility during this time you are going to get unexpected profits. If you are single and looking to get married, there is a very high possibility in this 1 year of time. There is a high possibility of expansion of the family. If you are unmarried and looking to get married, there is very high possibility you will be engaged and your marriage will be fixed during this time. If you are already married and looking to conceive a child, then also this is a good time for you. If you start planning from during this time, there is a very high possibility you will be able to conceive. Your speech will become very powerful and attractive during this time. So people will started taking you seriously. If you are into communication, media, or you are working on the social media, you are influential. For you, this is a good time to attract people, to get name, fame, and success also during this time. But if your dasha is not favorable, like if you're going through any of the karmic dasha and it is not favorable in your personal birth chart, then you need to be a little bit conscious. Then you should not invest. In that case, this will not be a good time for the investment. It's not a good time of the risk if you are going through any of the karmic dasha in your personal birth. During this time, it has been noticed that you are going to become more health conscious. You may start doing exercise and start eating the healthy food also. You will try to bring balance in your eating habit. This is a good time for the students who are appearing in any of the competitive examination. If you're stuck in the legal case, there is a very high possibility you will be able to overcome the legal case. If your money is stuck somewhere, your money is stuck in the market, or if you're given money to any of your friends and the relatives and they are not returning you back, this is a good time. Go back, ask them. There is a very high possibility you will be able to get your stuck money. You will become more emotionally strong, more emotionally practical. This is a time where you will take all your focus on your career, and that is good. That come out of the comfort zone, but try to bring more balance and harmony in your personal life too. Because personal life, while seems like that, you will feel detached, and try not to ignore your health. What all remedies you should do to enhance your luck and to overcome the challenges in your life? Daily, if possible, try to offer Durva to Lord Ganesha. Daily offer 5 Belpatra to Lord Shiva. Along with this, you have to start listening to Ganesh Atharvashish part. And to enhance your luck, best is start wearing the six Mukhi Rudraksha. And throughout this particular year, try to donate a rice to the needy every Friday. This is going to help you out to enhance your luck, remove all the blockages from your life. Again, I'm repeating, this is a golden time for you. Don't miss this time. If you are not able to utilize this time in the right way, in that case, the problem is with you, not with the planets. Share this video with your loved ones. Still, you have any questions related to your own sign, you can ask me on the comment.